Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight the row you are working on. Let's get started. Head over to the Formulas tab. Click on the Define Name button. Let's name it Current Row. Then change the refer to value to equals 1. We're done in here, so just click OK. Next, click on the corner button to select the entire worksheet. We need some conditional formatting, so go over to the Home tab. Click on the Conditional Formatting drop-down button and select the New Rule option. In the pop-up, select the option for using a formula. In the text box, type equals row parentheses A1 followed by an equal sign and then the name we just created. Click the Format button to select how you want the row you are working on to be highlighted. Go to the Fill tab and select a color of your choice. Now just go ahead and click OK in both pop-ups. Alright, as you can see, we have our first row highlighted. But we want it to be controlled by the current row we're working on. To do this, we need to access the Developer tab. If you don't see it, go to File, then Options, Customize Ribbon, and select the Developer checkbox. Now let's head over to the Developer tab and click the Visual Basic button. Double-click on the sheet you are working on. Select Worksheet from the first drop-down and select the Selection Change event from the second drop-down. Now under the Selection Change event, type the following exactly as it is. We're done in here now, so go ahead and close the window. Now when we click on whatever row we are working on, it gets highlighted. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.